Hello everyone, welcome to Cornwall. This is me and Teddy.
Hello. We're gonna let Daddy jump in.
I have a very important public announcement. Cannonball!
Oh, we lost it now.
I'm essentially Zac Efron from Baywatch.
Diving in!
Next up, Team GB.
How much years have you done the wrestling bump?
Oh, hi guys. Hey Teddy,
Yeah?
gonna see a dive.
No! I want to see a wrestling bump. And then a dive.
Do you want me to hip toss you in the water?
No? Just do a wrestling bump and then a dive.
Look, I can float.
Come on! Come on!
Who do I challenge next?
Do the dive!
Who do I challenge next to jump in?
No, not me.
Mummy.
Oh! Mommy, jump in! But I will dive this time, and then I just dive when you jump in with your hands out in the middle, okay? Do a dive. That was a wrestling bump. Do not do a wrestling bump.
Let me see a dive.
Yeah, I will dive this time.
I taught Tom Daly how to dive.
You can pick the crooks up, or you can put them up on the way back. Yeah?
I'll get them on the back.
Do it.
I tell you what, I'm just gonna move them up a bit because the tide's coming in. We gotta go deeper.
Mommy, she died. Hey, just do a video of my dad diving. Okay, this is the specialties. My dad diving. Jump in. Now, do a dive. 3, 2, 1, dive.
I'm gonna try to jump in with the camera.
Yeah. Wait, is this up? See.
Oh, I hope this is waterproof. So, Teddy,
Yeah.
next time you'll jump in with me tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
But right now, Daddy's gonna jump in with a camera in 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you're still working.